Hello everyone, we are here to address a massive challenge in the agriculture sector, which is the exploitation of the farmer and agriculture product by the middleman and the crisis of customer trust. Okay, for that we have our solution AgriLink. So AgriLink is a blockchain and AI-powered transparent supply chain designed to ensure the fair value for all, from the farmer who grows the crop to the consumer who buys it. So what's the problem here? So the problem is very clear for us here. Farmers are often subjected to unfair pricing and exploitation by the middlemen due to the lack of transparency and fairness. Okay, and also in a customer, on the other hand, cannot verify the origin, authenticity, and price history of the food they buy. So we are eliminating the middleman's unfair pricing and restoring the trust. Okay, transparency into this thing. Okay. So what's our goal here? Our goal is to create a tamper-proof transparent network for every branch of product. Okay. So each and every product will be like a batch. Okay. For every season, there will be a separate crop, and the separate crop will be mentioned as a batch. Okay. So each and every batch will be very traceable, so that like every member of the network can see the actual detail here. Okay, so this is why AgriLink matters. We avoid exploitation by eliminating the information asymmetry, giving everyone access to the secure immutable record of the transaction. Okay, so how this project works? Okay, so with robust technology stack, we use an AI-powered recommendation engine to calculate the minimum fair price, which is minimum support price. Okay, going beyond the basic common MSP, and we ensure automated secure payment for the blockchain through smart contract. Crucially, we are ensuring the inclusion in a remote area with IVR and USD protocol that makes farmer with even basic mobile can interact with the system on their local language. Okay. For the end-to-end traceability, we generate a specific QR code for each and every batch of the product, as I said earlier, and we were providing the web portal and dashboard for the consumer as well as government respectively, so that the consumer can complaint and they can see the thing. Okay, so the product, they can track the product detail through web portal, and the government can access the government or the organization which run the project can access the complaint and other stuff through the dashboard. Okay, so here what is the importance of agric? Okay, the impact is revolutionary, which is first the fair payout. We use the Swaminathan formula, which is C2 plus 50% to calculate the MSP that ensures the complete pay covered at all costs, including the land and capital rent for the farmers. And second, automatic and timely payout. So the smart contract ensures the farmer receive their fund instantly upon a successful transfer of the crop. Okay, so eliminating the delay and corruption. And the third thing is consumer trust. It enhances trust by giving consumer full and verifiable provinces of their product. Okay, so we are giving the complete details to the customer. Okay, so it's a very important thing here because we mentioning the fairness and transparency here. So that's how it gonna be. Okay, this is gonna be our workflow. So the end users, I mean the stakeholders will be farmers, distributors and retailers, and the beneficiary, I mean the enjoyers will be the consumers, and viewer will be the government or the organization who gonna run this project. Okay. The farmer can register the crop detail using with the agent or their mobile. The register crop detail and all production, okay, with the register cost and all production cost. Okay. The information will be instantly written into the blockchain after the details will be verified by the IVR based code. Okay, which eliminates the tamperness in this thing. Ownership will be transferred to distributor through scanning the QR code, which is very simple to use. Okay, so each and every stakeholder will be registered in this network so that they can access the complete thing. Okay, they can access the blockchain to enter their data. Okay, so when the crop moves to distributor and retailer, they will scan the QR code of the batch, and that ownership will be transferred to the certain persons. Okay, and updating the sell price and whatever they need to update, they can update with that the whole thing will be concluded, like how much like cost the products will be sold and like that. Okay, so this every process will be an automated process except scanning the QR code by the retailer and distributor. Okay, the customer can scan the QR code of the product to view the entire life cycle and price and other details. Even they can lodge a complaint. The government can monitor all data via dedicated web portal for the compliance, fraud detection, and enforcing penalties. The system is entirely transparent and empowering all stakeholders. And feasibility and viability. AgriLink is highly feasible technically. Combination of blockchain, AI, IVR, USD makes it viable even in low network rural areas. We directly solve the high risk of low digital skill and data entry fraud by voice verification system in farmers' mother tongue. The impact of this project is enormous. Okay, the impact of the project is enormous. Economically, it reduces exploitation and middleman cuts, directly leading the higher farmer earning. Okay, it helps the farmer to earn high amount. Okay, basically, and socially, it empowers the farmer through digital access and build the customer trust in food quality and origin. Okay, so this is how our project gonna be, and this is a complete breakdown about our project. Okay, so AgriLink is more than a platform. It is the future of the agriculture where transparency, fairness, and trust are foundational. We are ready to revolutionize the supply chain and bring digital empowerment to the core of the farm. So this is gonna be our farmer dashboard where the farmer can enter the data. So they can register to the thing, or if they have account already, and they can enter the thing. Okay. So let me enter the data. Okay. So they can access directly into the database, like directly into their page dashboard, so that they can enter the data of the new crop and details, and they can view the registered crop, like uh, the crop is registered by them. Okay, like that, and their profile. Okay, and they can log out to this. So this is going to be as simple as it is. Okay, so this is our dashboard for the customer and the government to ensure their transparency. Okay, so the customer can verify the QR code to this, which is currently I gave my default data. Okay, so this is how the things are gonna be. So complete details about the farmer and the stuff this thing. Okay, complete farmer details, the distributor detail, and the price of the product. Everything will be displayed very clearly. And if they have some issues in their problem, they can report it to that, so that government can, like the organization can see the stuff, actual stuff there. Okay, we are using the MongoDB database actually here, and the database will contain the data for every users and other stuff. Okay, and we also enforce our blockchain network through Hyperledger Fabric. So this is all about our project, and thank you for your time.